this is it.
So we are at the main road right now that runs Bimini, east and west, right? I think that's what Bimini runs, east and west. We're at the main road. They asked that I show you how to get to the restaurant. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you how to get to the restaurant, right? So give you a couple landmarks. You got Chance's Sports Betting behind me, a Japanese used car parts called Tyrone right behind me. There's this road here that goes up the hill. I'm gonna tell you a story while I walk. I'm from South Carolina. We go off of landmarks. I was in Romania with the Army. I had my South Carolina patch on my shoulder. The Sergeant Major looks at me and says, "You from South Carolina?" The guy wanted to sign me out a GPS at the desk. But the Sergeant Major said, "You can go out the main gate, you're gonna take a left. When you see a ship in the middle of a field, you're gonna take a right. When you see the hookers on your right, you take a left. And that's how you get there." And me being a smart ass, I said, when they're on the right, why am I going to the left? But it got me exactly where I wanted to be. So your landmarks right now is Chance's. Come up this hill, take a right. You got the primary school here, very nicely painted with a mural and everything. And we're gonna walk down the road. We're gonna walk through the neighborhoods. It's the Bahamas. You don't need to be clutching your pearls. You don't need to be holding your purse tight or nothing like that. It's the Bahamas. Everyone is family. They are the nicest people you could ever meet. I don't know if you travel enough or how often you travel, but if you go to the Bahamas, I've spent plenty of time down here because of my best friend, Alex. Alex, you're watching this, I know you are. Go ahead and drop a comment down there and tell me how much you love the Bahamas, and we all know how much you miss the Bahamas. We miss you missing the Bahamas, buddy. The pure glimpse of the beautiful waters down here. So yeah, we're gonna walk on down here. We're gonna go to This Is It, and we're gonna cook with it. She agreed to let me get in the kitchen with her. She wanted me to show you how to get here. You need to go ahead and put this place on your list of things to do when you come to Bimini. They have oxtail. Oh, I love oxtail. There's the Cheeseburger in Paradise, little outbuilding on the front of their yard, and then you go in and take a left and we're there. How you doing, man?
I'm there.
Oh, almost there. Going to This Is It.
This is it. Let's go.
Over there, oh, the Cheeseburger in Paradise place is opening up too. I have a confession to make. I may have partook in a little too much on the cruise, so when we were in Key West, I didn't get to film and show you stuff. I got off the ship, and when I got off the ship, I was like, I need something greasy. So I had a meat lover's slice of pizza and then a cheeseburger at Dante's. And that did the trick. I was able to rally and keep going. But here we go. Here it is. This is it. This is where we're going. Look at that water. God, I love that water. If you haven't been to Bimini, it's a quick hop from Miami. A lot of people enter the Bahamas through Bimini. It's like West End or Bimini is how you get to the Bahamas, because it's only like an hour and 15 from Miami. I don't even know if I'm ready for this. I am so excited. Well, we did the walk. We did the walk.
This is it. We out of breakfast now, but we do have a buffet style breakfast every day. Over here is our breakfast menu. We have a variety of breakfast and breakfast sandwiches. We have all of that. Yes. We ship everything from the US
Right.
or from Nassau or from Freeport.
Okay.
For the Bahamian, we have like tuna salad, steamed tuna, steamed mackerel, steamed bologna, which is sausage. We have steamed corned beef, and you name it. And we do have the Bahamian bread. You don't want to miss that. I'm going to show you a platter that I do. Everyone loves steamed oxtail. Very nice. It's in the Bahamian style. I'm going to show you it. And also the cracked lobster and cracked conch. It's a combo altogether. People love lobster and conch. This is Bahamian. Follow me. Now, I'm gonna show you how we do crack conch and crack lobster in Bahamian style. We love to season our food. This is our lobster. We crack it open. We beat it to make it soft, nice and tender. Our crack conch already beat already very fine. We're gonna season the lobster, a little bit of salt. Then we have the egg butter. We're gonna whisk that. Bambolak farin. Don't worry, we speak Creole also and French. We grab the lobster, we put it in the egg butter. Oil already heat up. So what we do is we put it on the flour. What we're gonna do, the same thing for the conch, for the crack conch. This is Bahamian crack conch. As the fat is heat up, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it on the fat. This is our bean and rice. I'm gonna show you this platter. Here is my macaroni and cheese already prepared, very cheesy.
Oh, man.
And the side. This is just my style. This is my oxtail already prepared.
There we go. That's the goodies.
Very nice and tender. This already cooked. It's like we pre-cook that. It's like an hour or hour and a half. It depends. Here is your whole platter, and here is your crack conch. And we go like this. Look at that. And look at that. Here you have a whole platter, oxtail, mac and cheese, peas and rice, cracked lobster, and crack conch platter. And this is it. This is what we done. We have all the meat, you name it. We have steak, shrimp, lobster. We do have pork, like a griot style, like a Haitian style. Okay, friends.
Yeah.
I'm sure some of our This Is It customer will watch this video. Come in here, we have it all.
Oh.
And follow him.
Looks amazing.
Amazing. Very tasty and nice. Follow me. And here, look at the base. From my kitchen, I could actually set you right here. Set your table right here, and the bay is in the side of you. You have the whole view. Amazing.
Oh, that's awesome.
And this is it.